Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, HOU Living in Houston. My name is Trisha Shahani, together with my husband Sanjeev Shahani and everyone at HOU.co. We are so grateful you're here with us today. Today we have something really special. We want to showcase a house in East Downtown Houston, or as the locals know it, Edo. This is a new construction, so this is something really good to see right now. So join us as we go in. So as we walk in, we can see there's a foyer right here. It's actually really nice the way they have this here. You can keep your shoes, keep things here, things that you might need when you're coming into your house. So it's really convenient, I would say. On the ground floor, so this looks like it's like a study or potentially a bedroom. It has a door access to the outside, the backyard of the house, and it has a full bathroom. So that's very convenient for whoever's staying in this room, or potentially is gonna have maybe an office or a studio here. So let's go upstairs and check out the rest of the house. I think I paused it there. So as you walk in, you can see there's a huge living room area, which is adjoining to the open concept kitchen. I really like this area. It's really big, so you can definitely host a lot of people, have friends over, family over. So it's a cool spot definitely to have. And you can see here the kitchen. I really like how everything is really matching, everything is white, and has these beautiful golden knobs. There's a lot of space. You can see a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. So it's very convenient. And you have here a pantry, a huge pantry. So you can keep all the things you might need, all your spices, all your stock for your kitchen. So I really like how they have this for sure. Let's go check out the third floor. So here in the third floor, we have all the bedrooms. Let's go check them out. So there's one bedroom here. It has an attached walk-in closet. It's a really nice bedroom. It has a lot of natural light. And the walk-in closet has a good space. Here we can see that they have a closet. It's for the laundry room. So you can they have the attachments for the washer and dryer. Very conveniently in the placement of the third floor. So it's near the bedrooms. You can do your washing, drying right there. And this is the primary bedroom. It's a really nice primary bedroom. It has an attached bathroom. So let's check out the bathroom. It's a really nice. It has a tub. It has two vanities. So that's very convenient. It has its own private tub. It has a shower. It's really nice. It's good for at the end of the day. And of course, my favorite, the closet. So this closet is also very spacious. As you can see, you can keep all your things.
It's really nice the way they have it. I love also this counter space. There's a lot of counter space. It's really nice. And it has a lot of cabinet space. You can keep all your things. So that's really nice to always have a lot of space in the bathroom for sure.
So there you have it. A new construction home in East Downtown Houston, in very close distance to many restaurants, bars, and lots of fun and dog-friendly spots. So remember, we're more than real estate agents. Subscribe to our channel to live a happy and fulfilling life in Houston. Till next time.